Nah, not when I put my head down like that, or turn it.
So if you put your head down or turn,
like that,
it just shoots into your chest.
Yeah, into the back.
This is what a subluxation looks like sometimes from the outside. And you got this big massive bulge of fluid, and then the spine goes back to normal again. So in there, you just got this masses of water just sort of floating underneath the skin there. Kind of takes up from that space to that space, and it spills out around there, and it spills out around there. So it's quite a nasty thing. So if I just put a bit of pressure on this vertebra, see how he wants to run away from me? That's just the smallest amount of pressure there.
And that side's real bad.
See, like that, what I'm doing there, Sam, is this much pressure.
Yeah, no doubt.
Alright buddy, we can fix this up on this table. Does that go right through your chest, mate?
Yeah, that's like...
Yeah, that's the nerve pressure there. Alright buddy. Because of how guarded these muscles are, I'm going to use a different contact to what I would normally use for this. I've got to get over this massive, look at that, it's like a big valley of tissue there. Alright, this is not going to be easy for you, mate. But I'll make it as gentle as I can.
Go for it. Oh!
Okay, slowly come off there. Can you see that dip getting less?
Just totally relaxed.
See this muscle's letting go? He hasn't got that. Before I could grab a chunk of muscle. Now it's obviously there because we've all got these erector spinae muscles, but it's not sitting up like it was. See how that's got some, it's got some softness in it now? That was just rock hard before.
Ow, 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 ow.
Where does that start to grab you? Up in there. And does it feel like it runs down like that?
A bit, yeah.
Or does it feel more like it runs across like that?
Across.
Doesn't matter if we sit here all day, as long as we fix it without hurting you, okay? See if you can...
Ow, ow, that really hurts.
That's straight away, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Your chin over, sorry, your ear down to your shoulder, your right one a little bit.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, alright, that's really sore there, isn't it? We'll do this a different way, Maddie.
Okay.
We've got lots of tricks.
Okay.
Come up here. Basically just kind of hold her head like that. Actually, Helen, I'll get you to help too. Go around the back there. The more we can control, just put a bit of weight on her there. That's good. Alright, Maddie, now the next thing is, I'm just going to squish you down a little bit. And we're going to just lift your chin up when I do it. Just a little bit, love. I'm not going to push yet. Okay? Just relax your arms, Georgia. Bring your chin up a little, Maddie. That's it.
Oh.
Right there. Perfect. And now you put that weight back on, Georgia. Alright, Maddie, we're getting close, mate. That's good. Just going to put a little bit of weight, and then you'll feel it move, but try not to panic or get scared when it moves.
Okay.
Good girl. I'm going to hold my hand on there for a second
Okay.
and slowly come off. Perfect. That was great.
She's got colour back in her face.
She's got colour back, partly because I squashed her. Nice to see you smile. No, she didn't. She did my stupid chiropractic walk. I asked her to. So, you're saying you feel a bit better?
Yeah.
smiling. See, she really is good
She's
looking.
like a different girl, doesn't she?
Much different. Different person. Amazing what a difference a few hours makes. How much can you turn your head now?
I can do it this way.
Oh, that's good. You can get quite a long way that way. Well, that's
Then I
heaps
can go
better.
to here.
Yeah, well, that's the way you couldn't go at all.
Yeah.
You still best friends? It's just no movement there at all. Again, but do you think you could handle this correction, or would you like me to continue?
Continue, I will handle it.
Yeah. If you've changed your mind, we can stop.
No, it's alright.
Just going to make a very, very small correction to start with. You might hear some noise or feel a little bit of movement down here, but don't worry, okay? Just relax.
Slowly.
Yes. Breathe slowly.
Oh!
It's alright. It's okay.
Relax, relax, relax. You'll be fine after a few minutes.
Let me hold this.
Just be relaxed.
All you got to do is breathe.
Yeah.
I feel less pain on the other side.
Good. I actually think even if you are a little bit hunched over, you're going to be able to walk a bit easier. As you take weight on this, it'll be pretty difficult because you haven't done it for a while. That's it.
Try.
Good. Just take a few steps first because you need to push some fluid out of the joint.
Better? Fantastic.
See you later. You get lift off. That's going to be the best thing that ever happened to you, man.
See, it's straight right now. One.
I'm actually really excited to see what happens here. There you go. Bring yourself up like this. Good. And walk in that position. Just take some steps. That's what I want it to feel like when you walk. Try and do that to yourself. Stand and look at your dad.
Yeah.
Look what I found.
Wow, man. That's so impressive.
Taller than him, huh?
You are taller now. You've done it. High five. Just breathe into this space that you've created. That's it. It's pretty good.
I don't believe it.
I know, it's a big moment. Your family's been through a lot, haven't they? It's hard as a dad because you just think you've lost your son, you've lost your kid.
Alright, Dad.
Give him a hug, mate, he needs it. You know, it's funny because when I first palpated Moon's neck, his butt was there and his back was here and his head was over here. It looked like he was going to be stuck with that forever. Robbie, this is Moon.
Oh, mate. Actually, same his height.
Yeah, nearly.
Yeah.